Okay, I have a solution here for maybe somebody who experienced this problem. The lightning struck close to our house a little while ago, but then the sensor stopped working. My alarm doesn't want to work again. It's this normal infrared. I think it's a Takis sensor. Very nice sensor, but very sensitive. So what I did, I figured out the relay, the small relay, stopped working. So there's nothing, doesn't want to work again. So it's also damaged. I couldn't get it. I took it out, but I can't get it fired up. So what I did, I took another relay from another infrared indoor sensor, and I put a quad 2 transistor in there. But then I figured out where is the drive circuit that drives the transistor. There's 2 transistors here that operates the relay. And I found it, and then I just put a 1K resistor and a quad 2 in a base, and then just extend the contacts, normally open, normally close, and then it works. So if I can just put on, you can see here's you can hear the multimeter, and there's a light on. Then it's open circuit, and then the alarm will go off. But when it relaxes, the circuit is there again. So this is maybe a solution for somebody that can use it. Somebody knows how to do some electronics and figure out something. Then you can maybe save or just lengthen the life of your lifespan of your sensor. So as I said, you can see here is my modification. It's like a metal case relay. The inside is the coil, and the 2 outside points is a contact, and normally open, normally close. And then I just use a transistor, quad 2 transistor, but then I just pick up the ground on the capacitor, so, and the positive with the input. So I'll just have to make sure I put the positive on the right place, because this is a non-polarity. There is a bridge there, but for what it's worth, it can work still. Normally can pick up a ground close to the closest capacitor. Then there's always a ground, the negative line. And then there's a 9-volt regulator, but I somehow use 12 volt because it's a 12-volt relay. Then I can just have to make it work and fit here, and then I can make it work. So I'll just kind of quicker figure out how to make space for it here, and then we can make it work. Okay, as normal, I use my good old friend here, and let's go and heat this up. I'm gonna put it underneath there just to make it work there. Stuck there. Get some more wires here, put some there. Doesn't short out anywhere. I always don't put too many glue, that if you need to, because the next lightning, this transistor is going to most likely damage again, and I have to fix it again. So, and that is it. Okay, let's just put this whole thing back together again. Alright, there wasn't enough space inside here. Then I just cut off a little bit of the plastic, and I made space here, so I'm going to leave the relay inside here. So that's good enough. It's going to work for me. And there's it, normally close. You can see here by the multimeter. There is 0 ohm. There it goes. Very nice sensor this. There's 2 areas that you can cover, and you can set up and down. So it's very, very nice. Expensive sensors, but they work very nice, and it's pet proof. Okay, that is it. And you just close, see if the lid closed properly. Let's see if I can close the lid. And there's a bit of an issue here. To get all these things are so tight, you can't believe it. Otherwise I'll have to go and maybe use this sensor this side and the other one that side, and then it will maybe fit. It's stuck here on the side here. I will just go and cut that piece off there. See, now it fits. I can just go and cut this piece here off. Don't take nonsense here. See, there's some this came from somewhere. I think it's for a rain. Still not right. Just cut this whole piece off here. Just hope this is sealed in a way for the water. That's it, now it will work. Now there's enough space now for that cavity there, and I'll just cut it like this. Okay, there's your sensor. Modified Takis infrared pet-proof sensor. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and it will maybe help some of you guys who have issues with this. You can maybe reuse it, extend your life a little bit. Till next time, cheers. Okay, here's it back to its place. As you see, the light goes on and it's off. Perfect.